Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dr. John Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here in Utah. So today what I'm going to talk about is more of like a phantom knee pain that a lot of people will get. So with this, a patient will usually come in and say, hey, I have knee pain, and it's going to be kind of like, in through maybe the front part of that knee, or maybe it comes down to the side, maybe it goes up the leg, whatnot. So what I'll do in that case is I'll check the knee, make sure that all the articulation of that knee is in the right position and everything. And then I will go to one area that usually you would think had nothing to do with the knee, and that's actually the fibula bone. So that's the bone that comes all the way down here and kind of gives you that knob on the end of your ankle. So with this bone, if it gets stuck in a position, then it won't perform its movement, which is, it's not a weight-bearing bone by any means, but it is supposed to glide up and down as your foot moves, with walking, with jumping, with any of these motions. So patients will come in and then we'll find this is the problem. So I'm going to show you how I fix that. Okay, so what we're going to do is come in here, we're going to check that bone right there, we're going to move the foot up and down, and it doesn't move. Okay, so then we want to say, okay, has it gone forwards or backwards? Most likely it's going to go slightly backwards. So I'm going to adjust it and it's going to look like this direction. Okay, so I can adjust it straight on like that, or I can use a tool like this, set it in there against that bone and adjust it that same direction, or I can use something like this, place it under the knee, click it up, and then adjust it that way. Okay, so then moving down to the bottom end of that, because we want to adjust both parts of it if it is stuck. So right through here, the bottom of this, and this is the fibula bone I'm adjusting, and then we want to just increase its range of motion. From this point, we're going to hook in here and set it up that way so that it can continue gliding up and down with that foot movement. So then once we're all done adjusting that, it may take a couple times as well. So then we're going to check that range of motion again. We're going to check, okay, there. Make sure there's no pain in any of these areas. And then that will usually cure a lot of these phantom knee pains that aren't necessarily being caused from the knee. So if you have any questions about knee pain or knee adjustments, we do have one other video about knee adjustments at the moment, so feel free to check that out. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down in the comments below. And then go ahead and like and subscribe, and then we'll see you in the next videos. Again, this is Dr. John Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here in Utah.